Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we're talking about another very popular stock on this channel. I haven't done an update on them for just over a week, but we literally had some news out again just today. We're talking about CTRM Castor Maritime. Now this stock is a shipping company, global shipping company, I think you know that by now, which is involved in the transporting of commodities and dry goods. Now, we first spoke about these on the 15th of January, so over a month ago, and at that time, they was at a price of 0.36. I gave the price prediction of it going to hit $1 come June time, and literally within the space of just a few weeks, we already surpassed that price target. And once again, because this is a company that I talk about a lot, I want to be transparent here and show you my position. I said from the get-go that this is one of the most speculative stocks I own. There's a couple out there that I own, you probably heard of them because I've spoken about them a lot. But this is one of the most speculative stocks I own, so I only have a really small position. And you can see right here, this is my current position, okay? We have 790 shares, and at this moment in time, we're up 240%. My average price was 0.34. So that's what I've done. I haven't sold out anything at the moment. It's all still there. Of course, we've seen a drop in the market today. That's been a general drop overall. All stocks are pretty much down today, by the odd few. So yeah. This happens, okay? The market can't just be continually rising. I know I've had a lot of people messaging today, especially on the Discord as well. What's going on? I mean, this happens. We can't constantly go up and up and up. However, one thing for sure, it will rebound. It will go up. It's just a matter of when. So if you like these companies, you believe in them, etc., what's the reason you invested in the first place? Is it, because of some news, because of their financials, some upcoming catalysts? If all of that still stands, then there's no need to sell. You only lose your money when you sell your shares. So with that all being said, let's get straight into this video. If you appreciate this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. That really is appreciated. You can also join our Discord. We have a CTRM chat on the Discord as well. The link for that is in the pinned comment or the description below. It's completely free to join. Let's get straight into this news. We've been doing a lot of updates on CTRM since we first spoke about them. We've got this update as of today. They've announced that they have entered for a separate wholly subsidiary into an agreed purchase of another dry bulk carrier from an unaffiliated third party for a purchase price of $14.8 million. This is around the same price that we've seen for a lot of these ships. They kind of range from the 12 to 16 mark. So this is kind of bang in the middle there, 14.8. The acquisition is expected to be consummated by taking delivery of the vessel sometime the end of the first quarter or beginning of the second this year. And it is subject to the satisfaction of certain customary closing conditions. So another ship to their fleet, and this is what I want to show you. This now marks 12th vessel, which is absolutely insane. But considering when we looked at this originally, they had about 5 vessels, I think it was, and now they're up to 12 because they added one at the end of last year, and now they've been adding more and more and more. This right here is from the CEO Petros Pangalotios, if I said that right. We are happy to announce the acquisition of our third Kamsarax dry bulk vessel and remain committed to our plan of steadily deploying capital growing our fleet. Upon completion of all of our recently announced acquisitions, our fleet will consist of 12 vessels. So this obviously hasn't gone through yet, but once this does go through, this will be the 12th vessel, doubling in size since the beginning of 2021. That's absolutely insane. We are working diligently in identifying and taking advantage of attractive opportunities presented to us across vessel sizes and segments. So that right there is the update there. This now will take them to 12 vessels, which is absolutely insane. So people are saying, where's this company going forward? We've said this so many times, okay? They wouldn't be planning to spend all this money on constantly buying all these ships. The amount that they've spent this year is absolutely insane, considering the fact that, they're operating a lot less at the moment due to the current restrictions and pandemic, etc. And of course, their finances are going to be down. We look forward to seeing their next finances results. But yeah, I imagine it will be, not as amazing as we think, but probably on the rise from the previous 2 quarters. So I'm looking forward to that. So what's my price target? So originally I gave this a $1 price target, okay? And that was because of this, the 180-day extension. This was granted to them back in December. And yeah, the extension was until June the 28th. They had to get $1 above the $1 price to remain on the NASDAQ, okay? And that was for consecutive there of 10 days. And we can look at the current stock price. We are currently at this moment in time. The market is open, so when this goes up, it might be slightly different. $1.22. That's this moment in time, okay? And if we look here, the past $1 actually on the 9th of February, so last Tuesday, and we are still above that $1. It's not quite hitting the 10 days just yet. However, it's definitely on the way. And if this can go a few more days at this this $1 price target, they would regain the extension, which is what we was after in this stock. So what am I doing with my position? Because as you saw, I am up 240%. Would I be buying more, etc.? I'm not going to be buying any more myself into this stock. And if you don't currently have a position, I definitely would urge yourself to work out why what the catalyst is for this company. Of course, they are acquiring a lot of ships, and there's good momentum going forward, but is that all that really is doing? Okay, what's the finances saying, etc.? Definitely look at all that, because you don't want to get stuck here at that top price. So yeah, I won't be adding any more myself into CTRM. And when will I be selling? Well, I have been considering it very soon. Some people are saying this could hit $5 by the end of the year, etc. But there's no real, no real actual basis for that, other than the fact that they are buying more ships at the moment. Okay, when we see their next finances come in, that's when we can get a better understanding of this company, because the previous ones have been a bit up and down, due to what's going on in the world of ships not running, etc. However, the next finances will be a really big thing to determine what to do with this company. I'm not going to be buying anymore, and I will definitely looking to sell soon. Okay, this can run further. This could definitely run. This could make 500%, but I can't moan at 240%. I would like to get to the 300%. That is what I'm kind of holding here for. But at the same point, I wouldn't mind taking some of those profits off. It's only a small position, so I'm happy to leave this in there and let this run. But that's what I'm doing with this company. Let me know your thoughts. I will keep you updated, of course, if there's more news. Just a quick update today, I guess. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you appreciate it. Please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts on CTRM. If you want to join our Discord, it is completely free. First link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.